Hi everyone, it's Lisa with InkandInspirations.com. Thanks for joining me today. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and in this video I wanted to just show you a project I was working on using the Sure Do Love You bundle, which includes this great stamp set and the Lots to Love box framelits that have several dies in here that are great for your Valentine projects. And also in the Occasions catalog, we have these Whisper White narrow envelopes and note cards, which I think are just the perfect size for a little Valentine. And I've made this one here along with several others to go in one of these Lots to Love boxes. And this Painted with Love designer paper is beautiful for that. And so I just wanted to give you a little tip on adding this little tinsel trim and how I did that quickly and easily, and then covered up actually how I adhered it to the heart. So first of all, let me just say these are these little narrow note cards, and I cut the piece of designer paper at 2 by 4 so that I could center it on the front of the card here and have a nice white border. So I'm just going to use a little bit of fast fuse and put this on the front of the card. Okay, and with this I chose the Just For You sentiment that's in that stamp set, because then it doesn't necessarily have to be a Valentine's. It could be used as a card that you attach to a gift and be just really pretty. So I wanted it to be more functional than just for Valentine's Day. So that's why I chose this sentiment. And it's punched with the Modern Label Punched, stamped in rich razzleberry. And then on this one I have a Calypso Coral Heart that I cut with the die from those framelits. And I have a piece of this pink Love Mini Tinsel trim. And I wanted to add it to the back of this heart. So what I did is I just made a couple of loops like this. And let me measure this for you. Oh, it's about 10 inches long. So I'm going to make just a couple of loops like this. Oh, had it out of the camera. Sorry about that. And then I'm going to position it behind the heart where I want it, okay? And I don't necessarily want that to make a heart shape, but if it does, it'll work out just fine. And then I'm going to take a stapler. And I have, this is the Stampin' Up stapler that we used to have, but you can use any stapler that you might have on your desk. And I'm going to turn this over and staple it and try to catch all the fibers. And I'm doing it close to the top, just like that. Okay? Now, I have that, and that's not real pretty right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this sentiment and I'm going to angle that just like that over the top of the staple. And I found that to be just really easy to put these together by stapling it like that. And then just covering that up. And then I'm going to use some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of the heart. And I usually put one over that staple too. Let's get another one. I'm going to turn it around, and I want to be sure these little tails are showing because that's just so pretty and sparkly. And let's take the paper off of the dimensionals and we'll put it on the front of our card. And then it's going to be ready to go. All it's going to need is a little message or a little to from inside of it. And let's see. There we go. Okay, there that is ready to go. And let me show you the set of these that I have now, using that beautiful designer paper. And with the envelopes, what I did is I stamped the heart on these envelopes to match. And then this could be also a great little gift that you could give someone, and they could have some cards ready to attach to a gift or just to hand out on Valentine's Day. So they all fit in there rather nicely. And get it closed up for you. And this is a really easy box to assemble as well. Okay, there's an idea and a tip for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Please visit my website at inkandinspirations.com, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.